Alright guys, this is Ashwin here. In this video, we are going to see how to build a chat application using Python. So for this project, we are going to use Chatterbot library. So this is a useful library if you want to create a chatbot easily. So chatbot is of like two types. So one is retrieval based and another one is generative based. So retrieval based means you will be having a fixed set of questions and answers like you have seen in some customer care centers. So you will be asking any set of questions. It will be automatically replying to some defined set of answers. That's how retrieval chatbot works. And the other one is generative. It can able to talk like normal people. So that is the future of chatbot. If you have some dialogue or some chat conversation, means you can also train using that chat conversation for this model. So that will also help you in order to develop a good bot for you for communication. And you can also define some set of questions and some answers similar to FAQ. So you can do all the customizations in this Chatterbot module. So this has so many advantages. Now let's dive into the project. So first we have to install the modules. So before that we will have some few lines of code. Now install the modules. So for that, if you want to run it here, means you can use pip install Chatterbot, and another command is pip install Chatterbot underscore corpus. So install both of them. So if you want to install here, you can install it using this exclamatory mark. You can install it in the cell itself, or else you can run it in the anaconda prompt or a normal command prompt if you want. So I'll just comment this one out. So after running these commands, it will install all the dependencies, and after that you can import the modules. So import the modules. So for importing, we have to import like a few things from Chatterbot, import chatbot. So this is one, and the other one is from Chatterbot dot trainers import list trainer. So this is the other one, and also we can import one more module. So that will be Chatterbot corpus trainer. So these are the important modules we are going to use. Okay, this is chatbot. Think. Okay, now let's run this. So all the modules have been imported successfully. Now let's dive into the project. First, we will initialize the bot. So initialize the bot or chatbot. I will say HR bot. So this is a bot for the channel. So hackersrealm bot, like that. So you can name anything you want, and after that chatbot of name equals hackersrealm bot, comma, read only equals true. So if this is false, means it will try to learn from the conversation that it's having with the people. If you want to grow the bot, means you can just leave it as false. But if you want to have some set of defined question and answers, and if you don't want to train more, means you can just set it as read only. And last one will be logic adapters equals. So in a list So there are multiple logic adapters you have. You can check all the adapters in the documentation for the Chatterbot. So I'm going to mention Chatterbot dot logic dot best match. So it will try to get the best match for you. Run this. Okay, it's showing some error. Module time has no attribute clock. So before this, I have faced an error, like it's showing from SQL Alchemy, it's showing an error in time.clock. So that module is like depreciated. Due to that, I faced an error. So I just got into the file and changed into time.time. So if you guys faced this error, means try to resolve this using that. So just go to the path and instead of time.clock, just change into time.time. So that's it. So you can able to easily resolve the error. Now let's run this. So it's downloaded the packages from my NLTK and it's everything is up to date. So this is the bot we have initialized. Now let's train our bot. So using Chatterbot Corpus trainer. So they already have some set of pre-existing words for the conversation. So we are going to use the existing corpus for training. Now corpus trainer equals, okay, Chatterbot corpus trainer of the bot we have created, HRBot. Now corpus trainer dot train, we have to pass Chatterbot dot corpus dot English. So our language is English, so that's why I'm using English. You can also use any other language that is existed in the corpus. Just check the documentation what all the languages are supported, and after that you can use those languages for training. Let's train it. So all the languages, it will be in a set of YAML files, and you can see these are all some of the topics it's trying to train. Now the training has been done. Now let's do some execution. So I will call it as testing the bot. Testing the bot. Now if you want to get a response from the bot, means you can use hrbot dot get response of, so this is the question we are going to pass. So we will say hello. Now it's showing hi. So instead of displaying like this, we can print it. Now it's showing hi. So similarly, you can use a loop in order to get the input continuously and get the results. So I will create a small snippet for this. So while true, input text equals input of, so u, so this will ask the input, and after that it will be stored here. If input text equals quit, so quit means I will break the loop, or else I will get the response from the bot and print it. So print hrbot comma hrbot dot get response of the input text. So this is good. Let's run this. Hello, HRBot is saying hi, how are you? See, it's showing some random results from the corpus. I'm on the internet. Who are you? I'm just an artificial intelligence. So like this, it will give you some generic answer based on the corpus we have trained, and it will show you some appropriate results. It won't be like not like a best result, because the corpus is like a limited one. If you have your own corpus, means you can train it with that. So I will show you how to train with your own set of defined questions and answer if you want to do it for some business purpose. So let's quit it. Quit it means the loop will end. Now here, train using custom input. So for this, I'm going to create a text of a list. So I will say train list equals. So here you're going to pass your questions and the answers. So like a conversation also you can set it. So now I will say, who are you? And it can reply, I am hackers realm bot. How can I help you? So this can be a reply. You can also add, I am Chatterbot. Nice to meet you. So this is good. Maybe we can also add like a few one more question. Which language you are using? So for this, I will say I am using Python language. So here I'm just actually adding both the questions and the answers. So you can also have this question mark. So this is the question, and these are the two appropriate answers it can have. It will automatically choose based on the responses, and this is one question and this is one answer. Like this you can create your own corpus and train it. So using this list, we are going to train it now. Let's run this once, and we already imported this list trainer. Using that we are going to train it. Now list trainer equals list trainer of Chatterbot. Now list trainer dot train list. Run this. So it has been trained successfully. Now again, test the results. Test the results. We will copy this same snippet, paste it. Now let's run this. Okay. So before getting this, I'm just going to like, instead of who are you, I will have it as what is your name? What is your name? So I tried with who are you. It's showing this I am just an artificial intelligence itself, because it's like a most suitable answer. It's like assuming that, so it's not coming up. So I'll just train this again, and now let's execute it. Hi, how are you doing? I'm fine. You're not here too. That's some random response. Now let's ask the question we have trained with. So what is your name? Now here it is responding, I am Hackers Realm bot. How can I help you? So we will ask the same question. What is your name? The character. Okay, then now again it's showing some different response. Again, let's use what is your name with the question mark. Okay, now it's mostly assuming this is the response. If you use it like this, means it can give you both of these response. anytime. So it all depends on the probability. It will choose which is the most response based on this question. We also added another question, which language you are using. So which language you are using? I'm using Python language that we have defined here. So like this, you can set your own set of questions and responses. You can also create some kind of FAQ here. So it will be easier for the end users to communicate with the bot. And it also having a normal conversation, as you can see in the starting few lines. And this is just like a limited corpus we are having. You can also create your own list of corpus. You can have some kind of movie subtitles or any other text data, and change it into this format or this YAML format, and you can train it afterwards. And after training, this is your bot. You can save it and load it for some business use or any other purpose you want. So that's how you can easily create a chatbot application using this Chatterbot. So this is like a easy application. You can build it like right away, and you can also add more responses for your custom inputs, so the bot can learn from you. And if you set read only equals false, means it will also try to get this responses what you are providing, and based on that it will automatically learn from you. So that is also possible. So try to explore all these things. Now let's quit it. And that's it, guys. If you like this video, means hit the like button, and don't forget to share the video to your friends if this is helpful, and stay tuned for the next video.